If you want to round corners in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple method that gives you clean rounded corners quickly, and I'll also show you how to turn that shape into a selection and convert it into a mask on your image layer. This is perfect for creating polished graphics, profile-style images, thumbnails, banners, and any design where you want smoother corners instead of sharp edges. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your project in Pixlr and look to the left toolbar. Find the Shape tool. If you don't see it right away, you can also press U on your keyboard to bring it up faster. Once the Shape tool is active, go to the top settings bar and make sure the rectangle shape is selected. This is important because we want to create a rounded rectangle, not a circle or another shape. Next, look for the radius slider in the top bar. This slider controls how round the corners will be. If you want a subtle rounded edge, you can keep it low. If you want more dramatic corners, slide it higher. A good starting point is around 40 pixels, but you can adjust this depending on the size of your image and the look you want. The higher the radius, the softer and rounder the corners will appear. Now click and drag across your image to draw the rounded rectangle shape. Try to cover the area you want to turn into rounded corners. Don't worry if it looks a little oversized at first, because you can usually adjust it later. Once you release the mouse, Pixlr will create a shape layer with those rounded edges. At this point, the shape itself is just a guide, and the next step is to convert it into a selection. Go over to the Layers panel on the right side, find the shape layer you just created, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Select Pixels. This is the key step, because it turns your rounded shape into a precise marching ant selection that matches the corners exactly. If you want, you can now hide that shape layer by clicking its visibility box, or you can delete it if you no longer need it. The important part is that the selection remains active. Once that selection is ready, go to your actual image layer in the Layers panel and click on it so it becomes the active layer. This is the layer you want to affect with the rounded corners. Now open the Select menu and look for Convert to Mask. When you apply that, Pixlr will use the current selection to create a mask on your image layer. That means the corners outside the rounded selection will be hidden, giving you the clean rounded corner effect you're looking for. It's a non-destructive way to edit, which is great because you can always go back and adjust things later if needed. If the corners don't look quite right, you can undo, adjust the radius, and repeat the process until it fits your image perfectly. One of the best parts about this method is that it gives you much more control than trying to crop manually. You can make the corners soft, subtle, or very rounded, depending on your design style. So to recap, press U for the Shape tool, choose Rectangle, adjust the radius, draw your rounded rectangle, right-click the shape layer, select Pixels, then go to your image layer and use Select. Then convert to Mask. That's the full process for rounding corners in Pixlr. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Pixlr tips, and comment below if you want more quick editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.